Hey honey buns, welcome back. So you look, y'all, I'm right here. I gotta clean out a lot of stuff, so not sure what I'm gonna clean out, but I know it's gonna be these things right here. I don't know what I'm gonna find for as voluntary plants or what's in there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get to work and see how much I can get done. Okay, everything is waking up. It's time to get those seeds started, get stuff in the ground, survival garden. If you gardening just to prepare stuff to put in your prepper pantry and all that type of stuff, or you just doing it to cut the cost, whatever your reason is, now is the time. All right, y'all, so I am cleaning out this one right here is my let's see, my lemon. This is my lemon bush, okay? So I got all these weeds. I need to stay on top of them. Like I say, we was getting a lot of rain, and from me looking at, cause today is today is March 20, not March 24th, no. Today is May 24th, 2025. And we getting ready to, so the weather say, every time they say it's gonna rain, then it don't rain. They don't be knowing what they talking about. And then finally they get it right. And they saying that we supposed to be getting rain for the next couple days. I don't know how true that is, but we done had a few days where it's been limited, and then we hadn't been getting much. But then that was after having like a 7 days full of rain. So definitely don't need this stuff to be growing up no more. I may go ahead on and eventually put some mulch down in here to try to help with the weeds growing so fast. But I'm about to cut this stuff off. About to cut this stuff off. Alright, y'all, so this right here is my orange. This is an orange bush, okay? And as you can see, got a lot of weeds going on off up in here, and that is a whoop. Hold on, y'all. That was a black looking wasp with white dots on it. He was black with white dots. And I don't, no. I think the chicken's laughing at me. Y'all laughing at me? Oh, I know what y'all want. Y'all want some of these weeds. They turn them up, y'all. Yeah, but like I was saying, try to keep everything de-weeded. Now, I don't think no ground cherries is growing in here, but as we can see, a lot of weeds are. They looking for more. I'll give it to y'all in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna give them to y'all in a minute. Yep. I'm gonna give it to y'all in a minute. All right. Y'all, these chickens be talking back. They think they grown. They think they grown, honey. Be talking back. Having a whole conversation. They know I got them though. As long as they keep laying them eggs. Yeah, I said it. Keep laying them eggs. Yep. That thing was landing on me. Whoo, Lord, whoo, child. He don't want me to be great. Whoo, Lord. This video gonna be me running away from wasps and all this other craziness. I done been stung a couple times. I don't want to be stung no more. Oh! What in the world? Golly! Golly. I ain't put on no fruity fragrance or nothing. I mean, I'm naturally sweet, so maybe that's the problem. 'Cause I ain't put on nothing to be for them to be coming over here. And that's just the fact that I'm just colorful or something. I don't know. Whew. There, go ahead. Okay. All right, hold on, y'all. I don't know what this thing is that keep coming after me. But he definitely don't want me by this plant. Golly. It's when I get by this plant. Don't let me be great. At all. Okay. Kept this orange tree all nicely done. All right, y'all. I'm about to get these chickens this right here. 'Cause that's what they want. I think that's a win-win situation.
Said you needed space. Said you needed more time to think. So you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door. Even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurts so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to do just one of my favorite things that I like to do in the garden. I love when this right here happens. Yes, yes, yes. I love it when I'm able to get them free plants, okay? Them voluntary plants. From when them seeds done fell from the year before, or the year before that, or however long, and you didn't know that they fell. when that plant went to seed or whatnot, and it started growing up from the ground. Them free plants, y'all know what I'm talking about. Some of y'all know, some may not know, some know. So what I'm about to do is try to dig up these free tomato plants, okay? I know they tomato plants. I don't know what kind until they grow, okay? But look at that. Look at that. That wasn't even all the way in the ground. Look at the root. It wasn't even all the way in the ground, but look how big. So this is one plant. Look how big this one plant. I thought it was 2 or 3. It's one plant. Look at that. And it wasn't even in the ground, and it thrived. It thrived. Look at this. From the looks of these tomatoes, these is gonna be the cherry 100s. The 100 sweet 100s. That's what this look like it's gonna be. Yup. The sweet 100s. Cause it's already got tomatoes on it. Look at it. Tomatoes already on it. And I just broke this leaf, but that's alright. There's some right here. That's alright. Look at this. Look at that one. But I'm gonna get some of these good ones off, and I'm gonna propagate it and get me some more of these. Cause these are like the sweet 100s, okay? So, like this look like a good one right here that I'm gonna take. Yup. I'm gonna take that one. Propagate it. Yup. Let me get me a bucket and go and set this in. Alright, y'all. So everything is looking really good. Okay. Still got a couple things, some trellises and stuff that I need to do. But I really worked on this side today. A lot of peppers and stuff. Okra and everything is looking really good, but I really wanted to clean. I still haven't got my ground cherries out, and I got so many ground cherries. I found ground cherries in pots, like right here. This is a weed right here. Ooh, and that's some type of grasshopper or something, but this right here is a ground cherry. Ground cherries in different pots or whatnot. So yeah, but for the most part my corn did come back up. Got to get over there and weed eat that area and stuff, but yeah, everything is all cleaned out real nicely, and that's what the goal was, is to get those all together too. Here's a closer look at the socks of the day. I said Bugs Bunny. This is Tom and Jerry. not Bugs Bunny. I don't know why I said Bugs Bunny, but yep, they my Tom and Jerry socks of the day.